So about 8 years ago, I made my first how-to video, and I was in a dorm room, a college dorm room, gathering random ingredients to make Banh, which is spring rolls. And for some reason, out of all the videos I made, that one got 19,000 views. So I thought I would recreate it with random ingredients I have in my apartment. So we're gonna do a how to make Banh video again, take two. I still don't have all the right ingredients after 8 years, but let's get started. So first we have the warm hot water. As you can see right here, let me angle it down. So one of the comments was like, apparently not a lot of videos show you how to make Banh from scratch, because people just assume you know how to make it with like, you know, like assume you know how to make it. Where's a good piece? So what you do is you take your spring roll paper. Let me find like a good piece. So what you do is you take your spring roll paper. This is like a mini one, and you put it in warm water, kind of warm, not quite hot. It can be cold or regular water, but warm water just makes the texture and everything taste better, you know? Okay. So you're gonna put it on your plate like this and kind of let it, you know, sit there for a couple minutes, and then it will. So this is gonna go back to the basic college days with very little ingredients, and here we go. So usually people have, let's see. So usually people would have the vermicelli noodles, but I have the clear ones because, you know, 8 years later, I still don't have all the right ingredients. So next you want to line it with lettuce, cucumber, carrots, basil, some kind of leafy green that you like. And then next you'll add the noodles. I have the clear vermicelli noodles right here. You can also use different kinds. Like most people use the white kinds, which is boom. But you know, I'm using a little different type of boom. And then you add the shrimp. 1, 2, 3. Boom. This is a smaller spring roll, as you can see. There you go. Roll it up like this. So you grab one side, pull it across, kind of turn it halfway, and then pull in the side, fold it in like that, and keep turning it. And there you have it, a beautiful spring roll. And here are the other ones. Boom. And boom. 1, 2, 3. La di da di da. Done.